Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen paring knives, how to correct sharpening with the coarse stones to the medium fine grit. This stone I showed you guys in previous video is a 220 grit sharpening stone, and this is high speed steel paring knife. The problem was that I had this sharpened by a professional, and the flatness was not the level that I wanted. So I'm going to correct this with using this coarse stone, and then I'm going to sharpen it to scare a sharp edge. Right now it's a very dual edge, it doesn't cut, so let's do it. These are the stickers, just get rid of it. And this is the material that I bought at Home Depot. This is like a rubber type silicone mat that gives a little bit of a friction so that the stone doesn't move. You can also have the setup that has the rubber insert up and down and have two steel bars, and you can join it. This can be also good setup. Okay, this is new stone, so it would have a flat spot. Okay, but like I told you guys, as you sharpening, you're digging in the stone, so the flatness will be ruined. So please try to use the surface a lot of the area while you're sharpening. Okay, and oftentimes you have to rotate your stones to equally wear out. Okay, so it will stay flat as possible, as long as possible. Right now I'm going to sharpen it starting from the back. There's a bevel, and I'm going to start with the back. Okay, with the three fingers holding onto the bevel, just placing your left hand. Oh, sorry, I guess I'm left-handed, so I'm just telling you guys left-handed. If you guys are right-handed, just do it like this. Okay, try to evenly press down the edge. Okay, if you want to flat this whole this much, it will take long time. So I'm going to shorten. I'm going to flat about this much. Okay, now sharpen it like this. See, and you check it with a little bit of water, and then you can see where it's flat and where it's not flat. Okay, this is not water. Okay, this is just the way it's ground. As you can see, I'm just moving this side. Okay, I'm moving a lot so that I can have more of a spot where it's flat. Okay, sharpen like this. And keep water the stones. Okay, I soak the stones about 12 hours to maximum soakage. Okay, you have to soak your stones for a certain period of time for let the stone soak in the water. Now look at this, it's not flat. Okay, there's a spot here and here and here, all different. Okay, so this means it's not flat. Okay, so you keep doing it until you get the one directional spot. Okay, you could also go like this, but this will dig your stones a lot. Okay, change your stones and do it. Almost there, but not close. Alright, it's almost there, but not quite yet. Almost there. Yep, it's almost done. You can see now that why the high-speed steel is one of the best knife steels in the world, because it has so much of a wear resistance that even sharpening stones cannot take this steel away much faster than the other steels. You can see that it's almost flat as with a single spot, just here and here left. Yeah. Okay, now we move on to bevel side. Okay, change your stone side. You have a flat, and make sure you hold it tight like this, and feel the bevel is flat on the stone, and just pull and push, pull and push. Some people do just push motion. That way they can, stay consistent better. Yeah, if you are, if you can, maintain your flatness by just pushing it on stones like this, you can do it. But for me, it's better to just go back and front and back like this. Okay. You can notice that I'm using the stone all the way from total length by using it diagonally like this. Always check the bevel, and it's not a single. It's not single. Single directional sharpness. Okay, so I keep doing it. Wash it often. You have to check. Now, as you're sharpening, you always check the bevel side where you're sharpening. You need to have a clean, single bevel. Okay. Yep. This is a single directional cut. If you just move your finger from here to here like this, you can feel that there is a hook, like a micro hook at the edge of the knife. It's called burr, and you need to remove this burr to have a sharp edge. Right now, what this done is, as you sharpening this side, the fine steel is bended this way. So as you sharpening this side again, these burrs will be like this again, and you sharpen this side again, it will go like this. And these thin burrs going like this will eventually break off, and at the edge will be extremely sharp right after the edge is broken off. Okay, so need to bring those burr back to the other side like this, and this will burr is on the other side again. Just push. Sharpen the back again, and now you have a pretty decent edge right now. But we need a scary sharp edge, right? So we need to place these 1,000 grit stones, which is relatively, you know, thin because of the long usage, and we need to have a good 6,000 grit water stones. Now, I'm flattening these 6,000 stones on a flat surface of a 1,000 stone. Okay, so that sharpening both sides. Okay. Now, the flat side first. I'm also just using the whole side of the stone. And check. Okay, you always check how you are grinding your stones. Okay, you need to make sure you have a single directional spots. Okay, to have a single. I'm holding it like this. Okay. Here's the interesting part. There is a circle here. I think this is a spot where the steel saw used to be thinner in the center and the wider at the spine, so that when it cuts through certain metal, it will not stick to the side of the, you know, things that it's sharpening. But well, I'm not sure. Looks like this. I think I'm sharpening the inner cores. Let's keep sharpening. Okay. This is one hell of a steel that cannot sharpen easily. Okay. This has so much of wear resistance that you are going to have a hard time if you have a nick or chip in the edge of the knife. Okay, so be careful using it not to damage the edge. You will have a hard time just restoring the edge and sharpen it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think I'm sharpening the inner core of the steel, so that's getting it bigger. Okay. Which means the spine in the teeth side is lower than the center side. So I'm pushing down the edge of the knife. You have to check often yeah, this helped the sucker break off to the side. You guys see there's a low and high spot here and there. We need to remove all of these to get it razor sharp. Okay, this is going to be a long video. I need to keep sharpening. Okay, I will just skip some process. I will just keep sharpening like this, and I show you guys the final result.